Food can sound amazing, but what does it take to sell food the best way possible? Of course, is it taste, aroma, smell, look, appeal, plates and presentation? What if I told you that there is one thing that does all that? Word. You're not selling a hamburger. Instead, you're selling a flamed grilled patty with the cheese and fresh veggies topped with your signature flavorful sauce, squeezed between two freshly baked buns. You're not selling a milkshake. You're selling a well-blended cold drink mixed with milk and vanilla ice cream, drizzled with butterscotch syrup, and topped with caramel pretzels. Words describe, words flavor, words salivate, words sell. Let your words do the talking, the grilling, the shaking, the frying, the slicing, the steaming. Let your words do the selling of your food and drink for you. KMV Consulting now offers food and beverages write-up services, so your recipes should come to life with fuller, more appetizing, sharper, and more flavorful with words. If you need help with your menu descriptions or write-ups for your food blogs, product descriptions, or anything in between, we certainly are what you're looking for. We are equipped with talented and seasoned writers ready to assist you. Together, let's cook your next food and beverage descriptions al dente. Contact us now through these following channels. Come as you are, we accept everyone. Are you ready for a flaming, flavorful, aromatic, and mouth-watering tasty adventure? Call us now to start.